everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making my first long video on still life in gouache color. Look at this beautiful red broken pot. I'm gonna paint this. Let's paint it together. Let's start. Okay, so I started with a simple sketch, keeping the shapes light and loose. Okay, so then I observe the light source and the highlight shadows where it would fall. So I blocked in the light and shadow, which gives the basic forms. Slowly, now we will start coloring, but this step is very important before coloring. Okay. pot. So as you are seeing, I begin with the base colors using warm reds and earthy tones for the pot. Okay, and a soft and cool background to create contrast. I keep first layer flat and just focusing on covering the surfaces evenly. Then I slowly built up the shadows, adding deeper tones to give more depth and volume. For the reflections, I use lighter strokes first, slightly warmer highlights, okay, and to make the surface feel more alive. I also soften some edges while keeping a few sharp areas to focus. And finally, I added highlights, okay, and just a small touches, but they bring everything together. So here is the final result. So let me know how is it, and I want, or I would like to color the more pots next week, so let me know that also. Thank you for watching and connecting with me. Thank you.
वीडियोस बनाने हैं, फिल्मोरा है ना।